We got a package early in the morning from Jewel Javier. Thank you so much, Jewel. Drinks from Starbucks. Mahal pa open. They're having breakfast outside. I'm having tosilog again. Si Mark Tapa again.
Oo. To Ate Say.
Oh, may note ba? May note?
Oo, ayan.
May note? Oh my gosh. Ate Say and Kuya Mark, enjoy your stay in Boracay. I love watching your videos, especially the vlogs. Special shoutout please to Trisha Bautista. Big fan mo siya, say. To Judy of his Judy Time and Hard Defensor. Love you guys. Thank you, Juma. You're so sweet. This one is, whenever I'm having a bad day, I just watch your videos along with other beauty YouTubers. Masaya na ako. Enjoy the buns. Thank you, girl. What is that? Can you open it, mahal?
Here. Cinnamon bun.
Ooh, cinnamon bun.
Yeah.
Yummy. Thank you, Jewel. Swimsuit of the day. I'm wearing... Saan ba ito galing, mahal? H&M. H&M yung top ko. Bottoms ko from... I don't remember. Nag-mix and match kasi ako lagi. It's a beautiful day at the beach, guys. Finally, lumabas na yung araw. Ang tagal namin hinintay.
Oo, kailan pa uwi na kami.
Anyway, dito yung spot namin. Pero bibili muna kami ng shades kasi si Mark hindi makasama sa mga pictures. I wanna get a nice OOTD. Parang nung first day si Mark kasi kumuha nun. Nag-iisip pa kami kung mag-ano kami scuba diving. And fly fish. Then tried fly fish before. Bumili
kami na shades. Yung unang trying ko, dun sa may pwesto, 150, pwede raw 100. Tapos, nag-check kami sa may naglalako, 250 daw. Kasi narinig na sinabi ni Say na ano, bagay sa'yo yan. Kaya pinresyo. Sabi ko 100 lang doon sa kabila eh. Sabi niya 150. Sabi niya 150. Sabi ko hindi, 100 nga lang sa kabila. Parehas lang joke yan eh.
We're buying sagot gulaman and calamansi juice here at Dion. Ang galing, may jeep sila. Jeeping stop. After this, we're gonna go hang out sa beach. Baka mag-paddleboard din kami ni Mark kasi ang ganda ng araw ngayon. Sobrang sunny. We've been waiting for this weather 2 days na. Chicken! It's a chicken! Quack, 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 quack. Quack, quack. This is our spot, guys. It's so perfect. We're gonna go paddleboarding again. Perfect. Smile! Nandun lang si Mark while I sunbathe by the beach. A little spot. Init! Our lunch is going to be Filipino ihaw. So they have different kinds. Chicken kebab. Ito kuya, yung sweet. Chicken barbecue. And then they also have chori burger. Ayan. So ihaw-ihaw. We're gonna eat by the beach. This one.
Curry. Yeah, curry. Siyempre pa lagi? The original ba yung garden?
By the beach. Lunch. Sarap. Masarap yung chori burger nila ha. Curry daw masarap sabi ni Mark. So after eating, guys, we're gonna go scuba diving. So Mark has never done it before. Ako, 3rd time na. So okay pa rin sa akin. On our way to Station 3, Kuya Beba! Yes! Welcome back!
Thank you!
If ever you wanna go scuba diving.
Dito na si Sir!
Yeah. Contact si Kuya Beba. I'll have his number and information. 3 times na namin siyang kasama sa diving namin. Lumaki yung shop nila, oh. Dito na sila ngayon. Galing. Later pa kami magsuot nito. Just waiting for the dive master. Suot na namin yung diving. Ito naman, sabay dapat na yung likod. We're done scuba diving, guys. Pero si Mark na nag-scuba dive. Kasi ako, pagbaba namin na pinakababa na, I couldn't equalize. So, super sakit. Ang sakit na hanggang dito ko. Anyway, did you have fun, mahal?
Yeah.
Just by the beach, low tide na ulit. We're waiting for the sun to set. Medyo nagtanong today. Bongga. Pero guys, grabe din mo. Super daming tao. Kasi pa-weekend na kasi eh. Ewan ko ang daming tao. And the clubbing noise over there. Nawawala yung serenity ng nakikita ko dito sa side na to. Kaya mas gusto ko pa rin na Puka Beach eh, no, mahal. Doon, peaceful and quiet. Dito medyo park. Sa katong tenga ko, grabe, hindi pa rin nawawala. Hindi na rin kami tumuloy sa fly fish. Kasi nga, chorizo kami ulit.
Chorizo? Churros?
Ay, churros. Wow, chorizo.
Churro.
Churros.
Our favorite chorizo. Churros here in Boracay.
Ito yung bayad ko yan.
May 8 pence lang kayo, ma'am.
So, lagi sila may bala.
Yan na.
Yun! Mahal! Cool! We're here for dinner. 2 Seasons. Yan. Barlow. Oh, how nice. They have a pool. Mahal.
Ano naman?
Wow! Tsaka tahimik dito.
Hindi tayo milalit na.
That's nice. This is my outfit for today.
May manang mahal. Joke lang. Saan? Dito sa koi? Ay, laki ng koi, man. Hi, koi, fishy. So big.
Right by the beach. Sobrang... ano dito na super tahimik. They have a large... may music pa sa kabila sa'yo. We're gonna try out their bestseller. So, Barlow is right inside ng 2 Seasons. Restaurant 2 Seasons.
Mahal. But, ayan o, ganyan. Ano, 3 mushroom and truffle cream soup. Ang unang in-order muna namin is yung mga recommended nila. Which is mojito.
Barlow menu,
Oo, yung
let's try it.
oyster, sisig, tsaka yung 4 cheese pizza. So, dumating na yung mojito namin. Sarap.
Sarap.
Yan na. Oyster sisig.
Bestseller daw nila yan. Ay, hindi ka po. Dapat wala ka ng sando para bold.
Pag may muscle na.
Sobrang nabilad kami sa araw kanina. Hindi. Siguro chorus alam ko. I didn't bother putting on makeup kasi we have chahan.
Lalagyan ko ng sisig.
What's chahan? Walang shrimp to?
Wala shrimp yan. Wala shrimp ko yan, oh.
Uy, mahal, umakyat yung... Ang lalim na nito, mama. Stop it! 4 cheese pizza, another one of their best sellers. Nagkaroon talaga ng moist yung camera. Oh! Syempre 4 cheese pizza, oh my gosh. I love cheese pizza. Guys, this is a must try. Oyster sisig.
Sarap.
One of the best. I tell you, the best. Busog na kami ni Mark, and this is, I think, good for 4 people. Grabe, super sarap. Even the cheese pasta, or the cheese pizza for cheese. Sarap. Pati yung ano nila, tama pala, totoong recommended talaga yung mga binigay nila sa atin, no? Perfect. Love it. Would you eat here again?
Yes. Pero marami na dapat kasama kasi maraming service. Sarap po.
Hindi siya nagpo-focus. Wala. Sa mukha mo lang nakafocus.
Sakit ng tiyan mo, B.
Yung lens ulit to. Ala! Ala! Now we're gonna walk back to our hotel. Pero, ano ba? We recommend Barlow, yeah. Sarap.
Sarap.
Sisig talaga yung sisig number 1, promise. Now we're gonna walk back.
Yep.
Two Seasons, ito yung Barlow. There. Perfect, guys. Pwede pa kayong, ayun ko if you go here, book there. Kapag may budget kayo. Kasi ang ganda dito. Oh my gosh. Beach agad. I'm gonna walk bare feet. Ang ganda kasi ng sand. Barefoot tayo? Ay, wag? Ah, so peaceful. I live for moments like this. Ganda naman dito. They have a dog too. It's so cute. We're walking on the shoreline, guys. Look at this. Or the, ano yun? Sandbar? Galing. Kasi doon na yun, oh. Lahat to may tubig to sa umaga. Ayun yung water, oh. Galing. Buti hindi lumulubog. Ganda. Grotto nga. Pwede ba umakyat? So beautiful. So naka-cover to ng water.
Yeah. Hindi naman siguro ganito kataas. Baba lang.
Hey. Oh, it's Mama Mary. Cool.
Oh my God.
Wow. 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 Mahal, ang ganda. Look.
Ay, shit, oh. Picture mo. Picture mo, mahal.
Uy, mahal, mahal! May nahabol siya! Mahal! May nahabol siya!